What's going on YouTube and Rock Custom Family? So today I got these shoes right here. These are Max 90s. They're already taped up, so you ain't gotta worry about me taping them and stuff like that. I'm also gonna be dropping these, a little snippet on my Instagram, so go over there and go follow those for those clips and stuff like that. I hope you enjoyed this custom today. Let me know what you think. Go subscribe right now. It don't take that long, it's free. And I hope you enjoy. Let's go.
Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know a different environment. You got desires, I know. You got desires, controllers never been your thing. Don't think it'll help if there's a ring with a ride. Where I'm from, they serve the soda clean. You come from a city where there's lean with the rocks. How the fuck you keep so many seats? How you going vegan but still beef? How the fuck you see so many beaches? Tickets to them places don't compete. I see it back in the church, remember we took it at first. Get it, got you a whip, when you got back on the shit. I had to tell Eric, go get it. I'm always moving too fast, the feeling don't last. I feel like you take me for granted. Probably my fault for the way that I handle it. I should've put you somewhere where no one can find you. Dancing out in the sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know a different environment. You got desire, I know. You got desires, I know. You got desires. Ooh, shawty, you tried it. Voice getting filled with entitlement. Why would you tell me those lies? Why would you make it so bold to my face? Why are your stories all over the place? Whole lot of secrets friends don't keep safe. Where did your friends all go? I can't solve your problems. You say your problems never needed solving. I was too good till you should've stayed silent. Nice guys always finish off where they started. Deja vu, you wanted things and you got it. Deja vu, I wanted smoke and I got it. Deja vu, deja.
That's the shit I'm talking about though. Like, you changed up. You don't even fucking link nobody no more.
Always felt like my vision lived bigger than a bigger picture.
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? No parking in LA, so I'ma send an Uber to your place. It's my secret safe, safe with just you and me. We can't leave a trace. This is my favorite mistake. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming over.
a spaceship, now I'm a space cadet. Big white mansion in my habitat. Aim a lot of stitch like a laser tag. Fuck a rich bitch,